Talks about the bodies?
It talks about a legend.
Bodies?
On the right, Mount Storm King towers over Lake Crescent. According to Indian legend, Lake Crescent was once larger, but has been dammed by an avalanche from the wall at the far end of the lake. The land sign divided Lake Crescent from Lake Sutherland.
Huh.
Oiga, ni voy a poner eso en mi bolsa.
¡Sonríe!
These witches?
No.
Vampires?
Yes.
Oh. Belinda, are there vampires here?
Yes.
Do you like vampires?
Yes.
How about Vivian? Do you like vampires?
I think she likes werewolves.
It's pirates.
Yeah.
I like pirates too.
Ahí le pone atrás de su cama, ¿no?
Grandchildren.
Oh, nice.
That
Little vampire
is
teeth.
hysterical.
Ahora que me...
Cuidado, vas a lastimar a alguien.
Cuidado en la carretera, Vivian.
Voy a llevar como 40 de
Oh, you okay?
¿Qué me pasó?
En la cara. Hey.
Yeah, that's nice.
That is beautiful. Here we are in the rainforest.
Look at that. Nice.
Ya se fueron.
What, Mahmoud?
Look at this. Look at the base of this tree. Don't grab onto it.
Mira, look at this.
Mira, eso no sabe cómo.
Pero aparte ve, ¿desde dónde? No, pero no, o sea, no están por el baño.
That's pretty.
Yeah. ¿Cómo estás? Just.
I don't know how to now.
Give it a hug.
Yeah.
Give it a big hug.
Give it a hug.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. Pretty big. Okay.
Es más grande que tú. ¿Lo vas a grabar?
I don't think you're supposed to feel the wide.
Just chuck it.
Yeah, the wide.